So this is the ramps that came with the trailer. At this moment, this is the original storage for the ramp. These little rails right here, and it's too short, so I'm gonna have to basically weld my own over here to fit my new ramps. Alright, so I am done with both of them. As you can see, I can slide my ramps. Prior to this, I did not have a storage for the ramp. So the original owner actually kept this in the back of his truck whenever he was towing. But you know, I don't really have the luxury of space, so I had to basically fix this. I've been pretty busy, so I'm using this rust restoration thing, and essentially I put a coat of that stuff all over the rusted part of the trailer. And when I say rust, it's not really rust, it's just like, you know, has like a corrosive layer that looks like it's rusted, but it's not. This is actually pretty solid piece of steel, but I'm just proactively protecting the steel. So this is pretty easy. You got a spray nozzle, a pressure hose, and essentially just go. Pretty easy. So it went on pretty easy. Like, I can't believe how quick I'm done already painting. However, I run out of paint. So I still have this side to complete, which isn't really that much, and actually this bar over here. So far I've used 2 cans of this stuff, and I think another 2 should complete it. All right, almost there. The LED tail lights have been installed. I just got new wood just moments ago from Home Depot. I just need to basically prime it and seal it, and this trailer will be ready. Alright, final product. Yeah, y'all. Updated the LED lights. At least I'm proud of these lights, man. I like them. And it's got storage right here.
Committed to anything, you distracted by everything. I put that on everything, got forges on everything.